Hello everybody, welcome back to my second moto vlog. I'm just putting on my gloves right now. My new actual ATVing gloves, which look pretty cool. So basically today I'm just going to be like explaining what's to come for these moto vlogs and explain how my new gloves feel and just go for like maybe 2 laps. I don't know. Dang, Ruby, you good? But I'm not gonna take my usual trail because my dog's out and I'm not trying to actually obliterate her. So yeah, all right. Oh, dude, I forgot the... Oh, they're right here. Alright, so basically... I'm just gonna be making, like, short vlogs, you know, just like doing a couple laps, and I'm gonna try to get better gear, like a head strap for my camera, so everything's like less bumpy, and like I can drive with 2 hands. I'm in 1 hand right now. So basically, yeah, I'm just gonna be recording small videos of me like doing laps, and then we'll see, like the quality will just get better like every video. So like they're probably not gonna get a lot of views because like nobody cares, but I'll try my best to make the best quality. But yeah, that's go for the next few times. I'm gonna try to keep the camera of like where I'm going. Whoa, oh wait, that's Ruby's foot. Oh. I got you. But yeah, basically, so that's my take on that. Like that's how it's gonna be for these next videos. Just messing around, basically, just doing a few laps. But I would really appreciate if, by the way, hi Lincoln, I know you're watching. I'd appreciate if you could talk more, because I really want to know you guys' opinions, like, what I can do to make the videos better. Yeah, the audio quality is always just going to be not that good, but, I'm, like, screaming so you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys can hear me too, like, not horribly, but, like, I hope you guys can hear me well. Probably not, because this thing is loud. But yeah, that's basically what's to come for these next 2 videos.